I'm Nancy Kerner. Today I'm going to be replacing the handles on my wheelbarrow. Through time they rotted and cracked. I was taking my granddaughter for a little ride on the way back from dumping some weeds, and crunch. It just it went down, that was it. She was pretty disappointed. She's 5. I did a temporary repair that lasted for a while. I made this little cutout and bolted that through, but then that cracked as well. These are my new handles. They're a little bigger, but I think the hardware will adapt okay. So let's see how it goes. It's also a good idea to check the length of these handles. I think they're the same, but they might be a little bit different. Yep. Actually, I can see that that's about 5 inches longer. Yep, about 5 inches longer than the ones I have now. So when I drill these, I'm going to keep the head end the same, because if anything I want longer handle. That'll give me more leverage for heavier loads. These are loose already because this is where I had to undo the axle. Alright, so there's the other little bracket. And then the other thing I have to do is take off the brace in the front. Is to stabilize the handles in relationship to the wheel. So that's my front bracket. This should be able to come off. There we go. Okay, the narrow part is going to be up here. These will be the sides. Again, that's for strength. So when I put these two together, I know where I'm going to drill. You just need to make sure that the wheel is far enough back from the front so you're not interfering with the wheel action to that bracket. Measuring again, this time I'm going to be wanting to get the length down the side in order to get the bolt holes for the brackets. This is not a screw, so it doesn't need to adhere in the wood, so to speak. Use a bit that is the same size as the bolt with the threads. You want to go nice and straight. Pop through with a vengeance, didn't it? Alright. I'm going to clean that side a little bit. Now I need to drill some holes for these, and they've got to be through this piece and through this piece to hold the axle for the wheel. Then I will also have to drill holes up here and back there, and that is to hold the feet. This one the same, this one the same. Get them all lined up. So 6 and 8 and 3/8. Now we've got our holes drilled for the stabilizing bracket at the end by the wheel. We've got the set of 2 holes for the bracket to hold the axle. This one is for the one side of the triangular foot, and that's the other side. Okay, that took a little bit of encouraging, but there they are. I've cut the bushings, and I'm going to do a test fit. I can always cut them some more, but I don't want to if I don't have to. And that looks like it's going to fit. Looks like it might just take a little bit of persuasion here. Where's my persuader? There it is. There. And that fits down. Like I said, just because it was bent, when I took it off, it got a little bent. Not a perfect job, but it's going to work. I have to make sure the wheel is going to stay in the middle and not scrape on the screws or scrape on that front. Again, I'm an environmental kind of girl. I believe in fixing stuff up. Probably most people would just go out and buy a new wheelbarrow. Gotta put the feet on it. These are at an angle so you can see which ones go in the front, which ones go in the back. Doesn't touch anywhere, pretty much in the middle. Got the brackets on, the feet handles now stick out further than the old ones. Okay, I'm going to take a sanding block and I'm just going to go over these handles. So there it is, nice and smooth. Awesome, recycled, reclaimed, heavy duty. You know, it's funny, I was going to work out in a little meditation garden today, and I realized that because we're still cleaning up from Hurricane Irma, and then I realized I need to do the practical part of meditation first, and that is to get the wheelbarrow fixed. So now that it's done, I'll be working on my little space over there, and I'll be showing you updates on my progress as they become available. Thanks for tuning in. I'm Nancy Kerner, Jungle Pixie Belize. I do lots of different kinds of woodwork, carvings, rosewood burl, vases, various kinds of how-tos, and I also do environmental videos, music videos, and anything that inspires me. Thanks for tuning in. Be sure to like and subscribe. Thank you.